Thank you for taking the time to take a look at Distru today. In particular, today we're going to be talking about production capabilities inside the Distru system. And the first thing I would like to show is that Distru is very capable of inventorying both your cannabis and non-cannabis products. When you're creating a product in Distru, you have the ability to make it a batch track product or a product tracked product. The difference being is that a batch track product is going to be anything that is cannabis specific. A product track product is going to be anything that does not require batch tracking. That will be your jars, your vape cartridges that do not have any product inside of it. It will be your labels, your stickers, your pre-roll cones, anything that goes into a production process that is not cannabis specific. Once you have these products inventoried in your Distru account, you can then look and create an assembly. What I just did was I just took a quick glance at every assembly that I have ever created in my Distru account. I can quickly see every single one of them and the preset used as well as the completion date. With that being said, it's very easy to quickly create a new assembly where I can create utilizing presets. Presets essentially are your custom built recipes that you can come back to, and ultimately they allow you to add a multiplier, which then does the math for you based on the ingredients needed to make the output products that you desire. So presets are wonderful and they ultimately will save you a ton of time. Once you actually initiate a assembly, you have the option of creating it in a completed state or a pending state. If it's in a pending state, that will allow you to quickly assign a task for someone on your team to build out this assembly. Once you do so, and that person actually builds out this assembled item, they can actually edit the assembly, adjust the ingredients based on what took place in real life. Sometimes you might end up with waste, or you might end up with some small buds. It depends on the ultimate real life process that happened. This is a great way to reflect that real life process. So once that's done, you can actually complete this, and that is when that output product is going to be created. You're going to then be able to see in your assembly history the entire process it took to make that output batch of product. Now this was a very simple assembly, but assemblies can become very granular and robust. In this assembly, for example, you can see we stacked multiple assemblies on top of each other where you can actually see the very original batch and the output batch that we finally created after 3 different assembly processes. So within Distru, we have very robust production processes that allow you to create the products that you like to create. It's very simple for you to ultimately track these production capabilities so that you can come back and complete and build the products over and over again. If you would like to dive into the robust capabilities on the production side more within Distru, please go to distru.com and schedule a demo request. Someone on the Distru team will get back to you promptly and you'll be able to learn more about production, but you'll also be able to learn more about the entire Distru system and how it can help save you time with your business.